join me on the bank again, and on this new method I've been using called the Exploratory lead. I've had 3 chub already, and this is the third, and it's a big one. I thought I'd leave the first 2 and not bother with the camera just then, but on this one I decided it was big enough to, and I was ready to sort of show you the method. I'll load this up first. It's a big old chub. I don't think it's as big as what I caught a few days ago, but it's big enough. And I'm gonna I think I'll have to get a photograph and give it away. Hold that up. It's a big old chub, isn't it? That's overset. Probably high 5. But that's my 3rd chub on this new method, and nothing on a 5-ounce feeder that I've had out for quite a while. Just fold off the mat slightly there. Right, I'm going to get this weighed and then I'll explain the method.